Good morning, class. Today we will be composing and decomposing 5-digit numbers by building a picture of 10,000. So our goal for today says here, I can represent 5-digit numbers in a variety of ways. So far we've been representing our numbers using our base 10 blocks. So for our ones place we had the units cubes, for our tens place we had the rods, for our hundreds place we had the flats, and for our thousands we had the thousands cube. Now on our new numbers we're moving past the thousands into the next place values, and our next one is called the 10,000s place. So the thing about place value blocks is after the thousands we don't have any place value blocks because the 10,000 is such a big number, it would be a pretty gigantic block to use. So what we have instead is a tool that we call an abacus. This is a useful tool for representing large numbers because it doesn't require such a large piece of equipment, a large place value block. On our abacus, we can keep going if our numbers get bigger. But here you see each spot is representative of a place value. So first we have our ones place. We always start with our ones place. Then we have our tens place. So the T here stands for tens. The H stands for the hundreds place. The TH stands for the thousands place. And then we have TTH. So T for 10 and then the TH for thousands. So 10,000s. So this is our new digit and the reason we have to switch up or our new place value and the reason we have to switch up our tool. So here's how it works. The abacus has beads on it, okay? And these beads are what we move in order to represent the digit in that place value. So in this case, on my ones place, I would count the beads to find out what digit I have in my ones place. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads on the ones place value. So that means I have a 5 digit in my ones place. On my tens place, I do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put my 4 in my tens place. For my hundreds place, I have 1, 2, 3. So that means I need the digit 3 in my hundreds place. For my thousands place, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the digit 6 goes in my thousands place. And for my 10,000s, I have 1, 2. So the digit 2 goes in the 10,000s place value. And when I put it all together, the number I have is 26,345. Now, as we keep going, you'll be expected to match each digit with the beads represented in that place value. So just as you saw in my first place value here, I have 2 beads in my ones place. So you're expected to move your 2 digit to your ones place to match the picture shown above. And you would complete your number here, and you would complete your number here. As you move along, you'll continue to match your beads to your place value. So always starting in the ones place, which is at the back. So as you see here, the purple will go to the purple abacus. The green will go to the green abacus. When you get further down, it will be your turn to put the beads on the abacus to match. So here I have the number 26,274. I like to start at the ones place every time. So I have a 4 as my digit in the ones place. So I would move over 4 beads. 2, 3, and 4. So I think that one didn't stick. Let's fix that. Okay, and then I would move on. So next I have the number 7. So I'm going to move over 7 beads on my tens place. You want to make sure that your beads match the digit in that place value. 1, 2, and this one I'm going to overlap because I don't have as much space. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you see mine aren't perfect. That's okay. You can mess with them and move them back. I have a 2 in the hundreds place. So I need 2 beads on my hundreds place. 1 and 2. And then I have a 6 in my thousands place. So I'm going to match that with 6 beads on the thousands place. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in my 10,000s place, again I have a 2 as my digit, so I will need 2 beads in my 10,000s place. And when you're finished, each place should have the same number of beads as the digit in that place value. And again, I still have that one kind of hanging out. That's okay. You can always move it back afterwards. All right? So here, we're going to practice modeling our numbers up to the 10,000s using the abacus. Good luck, students.